welcome back to my channel. This is another gele tutorial. I want to be showing you very easy steps to achieve it. If you look at my head, you can see this is simple and it doesn't appear like something you can achieve very fast, but today I will be showing you the steps, a very fast steps to achieve this. Just 3 steps and you are done with your gele. In less than 3-4 minutes you are done. Okay, imagine I had my my makeup, I wear my ashwebi and I'm going for a party like this. Now now you see, this is good, this is beautiful. Okay, so I will show you guys how we can do this in less than 3 minutes, and also I'll be changing this to like 2 more styles, or I'll be showing another style for this. Is 50-50. We divide it into 2 equal parts. Okay guys, after dividing it into 2 equal parts like this, we'll be placing it on our head. Make first pleat, just make 1 pleat like this. Make 1 pleat like that, placing it on my head. Okay, so after placing it on your head, I mean, adjust this. Okay, then you come to the back. Don't stress yourself. Come to the back like this. Just cross it like this. Okay, when you are done crossing, let me adjust. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to just make twists. Okay, I'll make twists. Let me keep it here. And for this one too, I'll make twists. I'll make twists for this one too. The both, yeah, I'm coming like this. Can you see? And I'll be turning them like this. Can we see how I made this? So let's hold on. Let me just keep this one here first. Let me keep it here. Okay, that part, just come like this. Don't stress yourself. One make gele, you don't have to make it. Make simple one that is beautiful like this. Just turn it like this and you're placing it down. You place it down. Don't stress yourself. Don't stress yourself. Okay, don't stress yourself. Come and pin it down at the back. Then I'll pin it another time to get it secured and well protected. So I'm done securing it like that. So I have something like this here. Don't worry, I have something like this here. Okay, and for this, remember we have this. Just remove it and stretch it out as well. Stretch out as well. This is simple guys. Stretch out and take it to the back too, and pin it down. Pin it down as well. Yeah, like this. Set it at the middle. Pin it down and arrange. Okay, this doesn't want to stand. If you have material that is hard, it will even be more beautiful. Okay, so like this. Let's shift back. This is what we have guys. This is what we have. See the back. See the back guys. Right, fast and beautiful. Don't stress yourself. Don't stress. If you feel you want to bring this in, you can bring it like this. You pin it. Bring this one to like this. You pin it. Let's bring it down. You pin. As well. Let's cover up this twist and I want to show you now. So you just pick this, okay, pick it, and you are bringing it like this. You are bringing like this to this place, like this. All right, very simple. And you use your office pin to pin it down together, guys. Just join it, okay. And for this, you can let it be like this. You can let it be like this, okay. Arrange this. Can come and arrange this back, okay, and do like this to this, and you're good to go. And if you want to, this is not giving you the vibe, or your material is not standing, like this one is not standing well, just fold it in, guys. Your office pin to tack it, okay, like this. Yeah, adjust it and adjust it, okay. And baby, we are done, right? So these are the styles, these are the simple way to